Hello everyone, I am going to create a series of tutorials about engineering drawing. Today I want to create a square, inscribe it in a circle. Let's do it. I need compass and also a ruler. Okay, you can open it, but before I want to determine the center. Okay, then open it. Yes, now I am ready to draw the circle. Then make it 0 angle. Yes, then bring it to here. You can draw a line just to make sure it goes through the center. Simple line here, simple line here. Now you have ability to okay, intersection from here also. Now that's all you need to create a perpendicular line over this one. Okay, okay, now I can delete all of this. Then you can draw okay. Now we can delete. You can be more accurate than me, but that was the principle to create a square, inscribe it in a circle. See you next tutorial. Have a nice time.